Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these trifle cupcakes. Let's begin. So to start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl and into it place all of your ingredients as we are using the all-in-one method. The all-in-one method is where you add all of your ingredients into the bowl and just mix it until a cake batter forms. It's not the most popular option, but it works really well for this recipe. So once all of your ingredients are in the bowl, you can then start to mix it on a low to medium speed, working you up to a medium high, and you should notice that the cake mixture goes from just plain ingredients to a lighter and fluffier batter, which is perfect in what you're looking for. You can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and grab yourself a 6-hole cupcake tin, as this recipe makes 6 cupcakes, and line them with your cupcake or muffin liners, and then start to fill the cases around half or 2/3 of the way full. I'm just using 2 spoons to scoop the batter up, but feel free to use a piping bag or whichever method works best for you. So once you have filled your cupcake cases, you can place them into your preheated oven. All of that information will be on the blog post, which will be linked down below, and here are what they look like once they're fully baked and cooling down. So to make the cream topping for the cupcakes, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl pour all of your double cream along with the icing sugar and add the vanilla, and then you'll want to whisk it or whip it on a medium high speed just until the cream is thickened and can start to hold its shape. Being careful not to over whip or whisk, as it will make the cream have a granular mouthfeel, and that is not pleasant. Once you have everything made, you can grab your cupcakes and start to core the centre out. I've got a cupcake corer, but feel free to use an apple corer as well. Then you can fill them with a good amount of strawberry jam. I've got a recipe made which I'll leave linked in the blog post, and then fill with custard, and I will also leave a link to that in the blog post, so check that out. Then you can take your piping bag full of whipped cream and just pipe on a generous amount on top of the cupcake, and repeat this for all 6 of your cupcakes, getting them as consistent and level and even as possible. And then to finish it off, you'll just want to sprinkle over some hundreds and thousands or some sprinkles, whichever you can get your hands on. I only had hundreds and thousands, which I would normally add to the top of the trifle anyway. And then you can enjoy them. These are best enjoyed on the day, but I'm going to show you what they look like inside. So once you cut it in half and you get the cross section, you should get the cake, the jam, the custard and the cream. It's like having a mouthful of a trifle in one bite, but in cake form, which is perfect. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, my blog and all of my social media, so go and follow me over on there. But yeah, that's all for this week. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.